Today, I'm going to tell you how naive optimism and stubborn, relentless commitment can help you find the treasure you're looking for. Right now, I'm on vacation in Palo Alto, visiting my sister for Passover. This gave me the opportunity yesterday to have a day with my son Abe. We start by going to this zoo and museum, and we have a great time. Then we go out for Mexican food, and after the Mexican food, I ask Abe what he wants to do. He says he wants Crocs. I've never bought Crocs before, and I was really thinking about maybe we needed to get some other shoes for him because he showed me his shoes, and they actually were getting kind of small. I say, how about this? Let's go get a treat now. Let's go get ice cream, and then we'll go look for the shoes. But Abe doesn't want to do that. He wants to go straight to the shoes and get the ice cream later. So we find this old children's shoe store that had been there for 50 years. We drive 15 minutes to get to the shopping center where it is, and we find out that it was closed 3 weeks ago. So we look around, we ask around, no children's shoes there, no Crocs there. We say, do you have any suggestions to one of the stores in there? And they say, well, you can try the mall. So we go to this big mall nearby in Palo Alto. And I say, all right, we're going to go to the New Balance store. He says, well, if we go to the New Balance store and there's Crocs, can we buy the Crocs? And I said, I don't think there's going to be any Crocs at the New Balance store. But if we find Crocs at the New Balance store, I promise we can buy them. Go to the New Balance store. They don't even have kids' shoes. They say, if you want kids' shoes, you're going to have to try Macy's. That's the only place they can think of in this huge shopping center. We go to Macy's. Nothing. Macy's is kind of worthless these days anyways. And we say, well, where do you suggest we go? Try Nordstrom's. I say to Abe, do you want to get a treat first and then go to Nordstrom's? No, I want to go to Nordstrom's now. So we go back out. Turns out Nordstrom is about a quarter mile away. Abe, who complains often about walking far, doesn't say anything, just wants to go. We go to Nordstrom's. We go to the third floor where the kids' shoes are. I see on the back wall, hanging up there, Crocs. We run over there, and there are the coolest dragon blue Crocs that light up. He is in heaven. They also had other gym shoes, but they actually were quite a bit of money, and we're going to get them online. But the Crocs were the prize. And he is just running all over in his Crocs. So happy he found his prize. And I thought to myself, you need more of what he had today. I find equipment around the world for a living. That's what I do. I like to call myself a treasure hunter. And this whole saga, it makes me think about the times that I'm doing it all wrong. I start thinking about things that have happened in the past. I've tried this person before. I've called them. They never have machines for sale. I've tried looking on this website. There's never anything for real. I know too much. Knowing too much can hinder you. It can lead to never finding serendipity. And this is a reason why it's important to have a partner. Like, for instance, my dad, who often tries things, and I say, I've done that before. You shouldn't do it like this. And he does it anyways, and then I feel stupid afterward because he finds it. And you have to remain focused. You have to be stubborn and not get distracted by fun things around and treats around. When you want something, let the distractions go away. Sometimes the distractions lead to serendipity. But in a case like this, You're not going to find this treasure if you let other things stop you. Distraction, self-doubt, knowing too much. Keep your eye on the prize. Push it. Be a little naive. That's how you find things.